In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the motor height on the SSR9. First, we're going to do a little safety check. Oops. Talk. For this, we will need to plug in the battery. And while we're doing this, we can also check that there are no BBs in there. Okay, first you need to test for it, point it in a safe direction. All right, it is empty. We can start with adjusting the motor height. To do this, we have this gold screw right here at the bottom of the grip. It is a flathead screw. So, as we could hear, the motor is already at a good height, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna adjust the motor way up where it shouldn't be. Like so. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's a high-pitched sound we don't want to hear. But we will turn it even more up till you hear this. Yeah, that's a bad sound. And now the ETU is signaling us that it couldn't cycle properly. So in this case, I will turn out the screw, half a turn, and give it a try. Yeah. We still hear the high-pitched sound. We don't want that. So again, half a turn. Sounds a lot better, but I will go even more. Okay, now it sounds way better. Now at this point, we can adjust it a little bit more up, more down to optimize the sound. The sound we're looking for is very clean. It should not be shearing. It should not be clacking around. A little bit out. That's the sound that I'm looking for. Let's try turning it out too much. That would mean that the pinion gear and the bevel gear are not completely in contact, which could shear them off. This is something you don't want to happen. I can feel, when shooting, that the motor is moving a lot in the grip. So that's something we don't want. Now I'm gonna turn it up again, half a turn. A little bit more. A little bit more. Way better. Just a tiny bit, just to optimize it. Put in a safe direction again. Yeah, now it feels good. And this is how you adjust the motor height for the SSR9.